pag isaaga man ang
Iyay palingkilaan ta, nagamatag ti agas ko.
magnakatulang di pag interseksyonan so da ibabagya Primark.
Parang,
Dito agluko ag NTPNP jay kantong buhaban.
awan na.
O ta sa bali maggamit ti direction me ta isuda. She will not go down to San Benito. So how? I will not go to San Benito anymore. She will stay daw palengke.
No, prima plus parking but
I'll just send you in front of the in front of
gasoline station.
you go to Primark manang bebot and then I'll just find any parking within Palengke. I'll be the one to go to Pana. If not, I'll go to San Benito. I can still go to San Benito without manang dairy.